Today we study the stereo microscope, which is a magnification of 2x and 4x. Means this is not a zoom microscope, and this is a only stereo microscope with the magnification of 20x and 40x. The eyepiece in this one is having 2x objective, and if you rotate it, it becomes 4x. There are two options. One is on this side, it is 4x, and then it is 2x. You rotate it, the magnification changes. The eyepiece is stereo, it is stereo view, and when you remove this, comes to you, the two eyepieces are always packed separately and these are covered. The prism is, you see the view is prismatic. You see with both the eyes, and there is one eye is having a diopter adjustment. See this, there is one eye. You focus first the sample. Let us say I have the sample of any plant or flower or any, let us say I put it, there is two lights also. This one is incident light. You can adjust the angle as per the sample. Switch on. This is top light. You can adjust. Show you this adjustable light, and on the bottom there is another light. Both are having variations. You can check and change. And there is, if you want to see any sample, you can put a white plate also in this, or a black plate. Either you can remove the glass or you can directly put this black plate here. I just show you once working, and then I send you a sample as my card. And then this light is adjustable. This is LED light. Both are having intensity control, similar one. Which one you want to use, the top one or the bottom one? So both lights are there. If you want to study any item, any plant which is having opaque sample from the bottom, you can study this. Now there are two ways of viewing. You can use this way. For focusing, you can focus from this sample. Both are slow, and then you can use it on the other way. Means you can bring it to the front like this and lock it, and front it from this way. You use it in this traditional way. There are two options, so both are visible, and I just show you a sample of this, both the lights. I show you the sample of eyepiece and how the focusing is done. Now you must focus from the left eye, this first one, and then there is an eyepiece adjustment. This one, adapter, diopter. First keep it on 0. Focus from this eye, and then focus. Change without moving these knobs. Change this only, so that both the eyes are having the same focus. Now I show you. I have focused it inside. I show you the sample of focusing. Just show you the sample. Just see this. Now it is focusing, visible. If I change this to the another view, without changing, there is another view. I can change it, and 2x and 4x. The magnification will change. You now see the lower one. You can see this lower one, and I am changing it to the higher magnification. You can see this magnification. You can focus and see this. Visit the website and subscribe to our channel, and our email abron01@gmail.com. We have got the stereo zoom microscopes also. We have got the microscope where you can change it 2 to 4 and 4 to 6, and changing sliding objective. This objective is there. This was in a turrent type, rotating objectives. Please visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.